Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Windows uses a built-in probe called Msftconnecttest to detect captive portals and network access. When the probe request returns an unexpected response, Windows may redirect you to a login or error page. This redirection can look like a persistent Msftconnecttest page or a browser loop. First, determine whether the issue affects only one device or many devices on the network. Check whether other devices on the same network can browse normally. Note the exact URL and response code shown by the browser for troubleshooting. Begin diagnosis by flushing the DNS cache and renewing your IP address on the affected device. Open a command prompt and run ipconfig/flushdons, then ipconfig/release and ipconfig/renew. Next, inspect the host's file for any entries that map Msftconnecttest or related domains to incorrect IPs. Temporarily disable firewall or proxy settings that could intercept HTTP probes and captive portal checks. Finally, use a browser to fetch http://www.msftconnecttest.com/connecttest txt and note the exact response text and HTTP status code. If you found host's entries or firewall rules, remove or correct those mappings immediately. For a temporary workaround, clear browser cache and restart the network adapter to retest connectivity. If the network intercepts probe responses, consider fixing the network gateway configuration or captive portal server. As a last resort, use the registry or group policy to disable Windows captive portal detection on managed devices. Apply registry edits carefully. Test connectivity across devices and document changes so you can revert later if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.